All right, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. I just got some breaking news. Just got the news. Reports coming out, and let me tell you, people, it's chaos. It's chaos. It is chaos. Reggae Boyz have hit the strike button hard now. You know they hit the strike button over the in the Suriname game, but Paul Hall married up the team and Leon Bailey married up the team as well, and they actually stepped out and went on in playing that game. Nevertheless, I'm going to give you guys information. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, go into the comment section, and please tell us what you think. So let me bring up the information what is happening right now. So the last report came out from Karen Madden that the Reggae Boyz, the Suriname team, has arrived in Jamaica at this moment, and the Reggae Boyz is yet to be to arrive in Jamaica. So Suriname reached Jamaica before Jamaica. Suriname arrives in Jamaica before Jamaica. Anyways, so this is another piece of information going forward. The Reggae Boyz will not take the field. Or so this report is from Chishana McGowan, aka Selena Sports. The Reggae Boyz will not take the field in their next encounter if President Ricketts does not release General Secretary Dalton Wint from his post. Assistant coach Marion Gordon is on standby to lead the team against Suriname because Paul Hall has called it quits. And sources have informed that one player reached out to the Minister of Sports, Bob DeGrange, and all is sorted for travel. However, a permit is needed for the chartered flight to depart Suriname, so they are now awaiting necessary signatures. So the Reggae Boyz team still in Suriname. The Reggae Boyz team still in Suriname. And Suriname is in Jamaica. The boys decided, hey, listen, the Reggae Boyz said, hey, we won't play because this is unacceptable. This cannot work. We cannot continue like this. And I agree with them 100%. I do agree with them. This is serious business, you know. And people are not taking their job serious. Dalton Wint, come on. Time to go. Pack up. The entire JFF, you guys need to go. Pack up. It's getting serious, man. You guys need to go. We cannot continue like this. Every international tournament is one issue after another. One issue after another. There's no structure, no organization. Just problems brewing here and there. Just pure problems. We cannot continue like this. Anyways, the boys will be getting getting a chartered flight. So that's a positive. Just waiting on signatures. Hopefully they can reach in by this afternoon. They can do the recovery process, which is well needed. And we have already reported on the major issues surrounding the team. But guess what, people? Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, when we get another update, we're out.